One sunny morning, Lily was taking a stroll along the shoreline. She was amazed to see the endless expanse of the ocean. Her mom once told her that seawater was salty. She decided to make salt from ocean water. She quickly rushed home to gather materials. Lily collected a bucket of seawater from the shore and gathered a few household items, a wide bowl, cheesecloth, and a funnel. Lily filtered out the impurities and debris by pouring the seawater through the cheesecloth into the bowl. The clear solution in the bowl was the starting point for her salt-making experiment. She chose a spot that received plenty of sunlight throughout the day to speed up the evaporation process. The water began to evaporate slowly, leaving behind tiny salt crystals along the edges of the bowl. Lily observed the process with fascination. She stirred the water occasionally, watching salt crystals formed. After hours of waiting patiently, Lily marveled at the beautiful salt crystals that had formed in the bowl. Lily was excited to share her success with the villagers. Lily proudly presented her homemade salt to the villagers at a seaside gathering. The villagers were impressed by her efforts and the purity of the salt. They celebrated with a feast and used Lily's salt to season the delicious dishes. Lily's homemade salt became a cherished story of the village. It inspired others to explore the wonders of nature and become more resourceful.